Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is a special report. Listen, we all are taught that customers love the word free. I want you to swallow that for a minute. So, what do? We like to say, if you get 2 rooms clean, we'll give you 1 free. If you get 3 rooms of carpet clean, we'll give you some free protector. Free, free, free. We always we're taught that customers like the word free. That's true. But you know me. I like to take something and turn it around with it. So I want you to hear one of my posts that I have on Facebook that the great Janae Riley of RLMA is going to read, because she's going to read it clearly and she has it in front of her and all that good stuff. So Janae, let's show or explain in this special report how the carpet cleaning world can still use the word free as we're taught, but in reverse. Go ahead and read our post.
We are very proud of the fact that we deliver the kind of service and workmanship that elicits this kind of praise. But we also know that we are only as good as our last client thinks we are. That's why we offer our famous 3-way guarantee. Not only does it ensure that you get our very best service and workmanship, but it helps us hold ourselves to a higher standard of dedicated service. All of our work is backed by our famous 3-way guarantee. Our guarantee: 1, if our cleaning fails to meet your high standards of excellence, it's free. 2, if we are late to your scheduled appointment, it's free. 3, if our technicians are not the most cheerful, pleasant people you've ever done business with, it's free. To arrange a free, no obligation consultation to discuss all of your needs and concerns, call us today.
All right, carpet cleaning world. Now, I saw a lot of you guys bounce out of here because you're like, wait a minute. I'm not saying if the work doesn't exceed their expectations that is free. You got to be kidding me right now, Roger. Yeah, that's right. I'm using your own words against you. Well, my friend, I'm going to give you a little teaser of tomorrow night's Roger Lloyd Friday Night Insights. It's about that one word: confidence. If you have confidence in your business, if you have confidence in yourself, then you have to know one of the definitions. One of the definitions of confidence is knowledge of your availability. You have to know that you can do what you say. Now, you can give away a free room. You can give away free upholstery cleaning. You can give away free protector. Or you can reverse the word and still reverse it in a paragraph and still use the word free, because customers do like the word free. Let me tell you something. I know I have a lot of guys around the world that watch this, but there's a pizza shop called Domino's. I know the guys in the States know it, but Domino's Pizza started off with, we will deliver your pizza within 30 minutes or it's free. Now, these were 2 brothers, but I'm not going to get into all that. That's going to be a whole nother video and another podcast, but it worked. Now, of course, Domino's doesn't do it anymore because they don't have to, but they knew that there were a lot of pizza franchises throughout the states, and so they wanted a competitive edge. So what did they do? They were like, you know what? We're going to run a special. We're going to train our delivery people that they're going to get docked, but we're going to run a special that is 30 minutes or the pizza's free. Now, you know me, I must have been like 19 or 20 years old. So I'm sitting there with my little stopwatch on from the time I got off the phone from ordering the pizza. And I'm like, if they're here at 1 minute, 1 second, 5 seconds past the 31st minute, then guess what? I'm not paying for that pizza. We used to pride ourselves, because you know when we're teenagers, we don't have much money, especially when we're in college and things like that. So we prayed that they were late so we didn't have to pay for that pizza. But the point about it is, that's how they got famous. Now they got hot wings and all these other things that have, kind of sparked them off and got them as one of the major competitors of another franchise called Pizza Hut and things like that. But, ladies and gentlemen, if they were small-minded like you might be thinking right now, oh, Roger, I'm not saying if I'm late, the job is free. I'm not saying if I don't exceed the customer's expectations, the job is free. But see, once again, you're not listening. See, when I say exceed, you can tell a person, this once again is why you should buy my marketing folder and go in and do a carpet inspection. Because in that carpet inspection, you're documenting and letting the client know what their expectations can be. So if they have a high expectation of a room you already told them wasn't really going to come clean, well, that voids out that guarantee. Because in the carpet inspection, you told them that this probably was not going to be to their expectations. But then they chose to still have you do it. See, it's all about business. But you can still use the word free to your advantage. If, 1, our cleaning does exceed your expectations. 2, if we're late, the job is free. And 3, if we are not the most cheerful carpet cleaning company you ever dealt with, the job is free. Now, I know a lot of you guys are saying again, Roger, you got to be kidding me right now. I'm not telling these people that if I'm not nice, that the job is free. Well, guess what, my friend? You need to practice on being nicer. And maybe I can take a lesson or two in that book too. But see, this holds you to a certain standard. What does this hold you to? 1, you're not going to be late. You're going to pride yourself on being on time. 2, this is going to make sure that you have a smile on your face every time you go in and do a job. And then that's only going to help you out, because then they're going to want more services. And 3, you're going to do the best job you can because you're trying to exceed everyone's expectations that you clean for. Well, once again, you're using the word free in reverse. You're not giving anything away unless you messed up, unless you failed your own expectations. This is Roger Lloyd from the Carpet Cleaning World. Special report on how you can use the word free in reverse. You take care now. I'll see you tomorrow night for Roger Lloyd's Friday Night Insights. Thank you.